Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your phone runs Android 13 or later, and the Google app is updated to 14.0 or newer. Open the Google app and sign into your Google account if needed. Ensure your device has a secure lock like a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint before allowing lock screen access. This requirement protects your data and keeps Gemini replies private. Allow about 30 seconds to complete the initial checks and updates before moving to the next setup stage. Open the Google app and go to Settings, then to Assistant Settings to locate Lock Screen Access. Tap the Lock Screen Access toggle and accept the prompt to grant microphone and notifications permissions. If prompted, grant nearby devices or physical activity permission for hands-free features. Verify the change by entering your PIN or confirming your fingerprint when the system requests authentication. This verification step usually takes less than 2 minutes and secures Gemini. After enabling access, wake your screen and say "Hey Google" or long press the power button to invoke Gemini from the lock screen. Speak your request clearly and avoid sharing sensitive details since short replies appear on the lock screen. Gemini displays responses for up to 30 seconds by default and hides detailed cards behind authentication when necessary. If you need to revoke access, open Google App Settings and turn off lock screen access or change device lock options to remove permissions immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.